Gentlemen, what sort of nonsense is that? No, how do you think?
Madam, is there any problem?
What's madam about this? Check the document you brought to me. How many times have I warned you not to repeat this nonsense in my presence?
Calm down.
What, please? You keep doing this nonsense over and over again. I've been tolerating you for far too long. I won't take it anymore. How can you tell me that you bought fuel with an amount of 10,000 within a week?
No, we have to ask the reason why I bought.
Will you shut up? I will have to ask for what? Ask what?
At least you are talking to a manager here. I'm the general manager here. So if you need any explanation, just ask me. Then I will give it to you. For you to use such words on me.
If I use such words on you, what does it change?
No.
Who are you?
At least.
At least what? At least what? You want to ruin my mother's company. Is that what you want to do? Just tell me. Because you can't tell me that you bought within a week. You bought just fuel for 10,000.
Have you thought of the cars we are using here?
Are you mad? Cars? No. Do I ride a bicycle or what?
Can I use the same words for
You can't. You can't use those words for me.
So stop
that. I won't do that nonsense. I won't do what you are doing. The next time you repeat this, trust me, you'll find yourself back in the gutters.
Wait, man, listen. Just come here.
Hey, what did you call me? You called me by my name. What's mommy? Abraham.
Really? Oh no. I've told you countless times that I have some affections, some feelings.
Shame.
That's why you're using those words on me. I'm okay. I'm calm. No, you shouldn't be talking like that.
Please. Step back. Get back.
Let's deal with things as mature people.
So you're even insulting me?
No.
I'm not mature.
No. No.
And you have feelings for me. Yeah, let me correct you on that. You can never.
I know you're beautiful.
Hey! You can never have feelings for me. I don't need anybody like you don't even suit me.
I don't see it.
Of course.
Then you have no right to come to my office and use all sort of words for me.
You are screaming at me. You're talking back at me. You're talking about
you know the kind of person I'm talking to.
Oh,
I'm the general manager here.
And so what? Do you know I could be fired? Are you aware? You are the general manager. So what? This is my mother's company.
So this is the reason why you're not brought me here.
Of course. She brought me here to fish out the thieves.
So who
the thieves? You are a thief.
I'm a thief.
Yes.
You're
I'll deal with you. Mark it.
What man?
No, listen. Work on that document. Change the figures. Present me the right figures before the end of the day.
Then you have to go with me to the police station. This is the reason why. No. You're talking to me as a mere grandma. Look at the way you're talking to me. Now what minute I'm going to say you call this Okay. Where's my phone? What's good evening?
Good evening. Hey, have a seat. Come on, you care for a drink? How was your day?
Fine.
I miss you.
Miss you more. So how was work?
Yeah, so that's it. We had a very tough time today, but we were able to manage it.
Mr. Nkrumah, how are you?
Mommy, I'm fine. You?
Okay, so mom, that's it. I remember talking to you about Nkrumah. So I think today was the day that we could make it to see you and then have some chit chats with you. Nkrumah.
Yes, dear.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, myself.
Thank you, Mommy.
Nkrumah.
Mommy.
I meant to take advantage of my daughter. So see you over. Please. You love her.
Yes, I really love her.
Are you sure?
And yes, me very sure, mommy. And I will never do anything to harm her because aside from see you, Banakrano, there is something unique about her that it makes me a more man, and it gives me more energy to work for you more. To see you, Banakrano, doesn't come in, but just say, Obano. I don't know, she's a good saint. That is what I will say for now.
Anyway, say idea don't to say the Okana. Fine. Let me catch. Me take advantage. Because only Makuma. My dear girl. So what I say, we play with her intelligent. Me very good pa, but we will bad side of me.
Yeah.
So by the side we bad side of me. I don't want anyone to play with my daughter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Umi Kakrams can say, I will never play with your daughter, and I'll make sure I'll make her happy all the rest of her life. And I am not into that kind of, girls and those things, no. It's just that I want to settle down, and I felt she's the right person for me to settle down with. And I know she's a good person. And nothing will make me even raise my hands on her or even try to, insult or to do something that'll nasty thing or something like that. I won't even dare, because she is a precious Jewess to me, and I really love her so much. And Jewess need to be taken care of, proper taken care of. So I'll keep her in my jewelry box so that I will keep her with care and respect. That is what I will say.
Matthew.
Yeah, because I love her so much. Yeah.
Then I hope Afra. And I'm said, only the orienting. Like I said, I love you. I love you. I love you. As time goes on.
Yeah.
That changes as not stable. That changes as not stable. Then I catch on and say, don't play with her hearts.
I won't.
Don't ever play with her hearts.
I won't. Said you okay, no. I am 1 in a million. Mommy, you will call me back and say, I have made you proud. And I will do it. Yeah.
Let's hope for the best.
The lion!
Step out. Angelo, where is the receipt of the 50,000 transaction you did at the bank for AB Consult?
When I was doing it, the manager was aware of it.
Are you mad? I'm talking to you and you're talking about manager. Who am I? Mimi Kasa was the manager. Mimi no Kasa no. Oh, point. Manager was aware today. Receipt, any manager I mean. It's manager receipt. I said, where is the receipt? And aside that, AB Consult, they should give you a clearance because we are paying them. And that's in the area. We should know. They should bring clearance. Me who say, "I can't win me a chief. You want to saying."
That's why I told you that I've submitted everything to the manager. I've done it.
You've submitted. So where is the receipt? You are supposed to present the receipt. Where's the receipt?
I'll bring it to you.
You can't tell me you bring it to me. I need it in about 5 minutes. I'm giving you just 5 minutes.
So I should stop whatever I'm doing and submit the receipt to you.
I'm going to challenge me and answering. Are you challenging me?
I'm not.
Good. So you walk back in there, get me that receipt ASAP. Do you understand?
I do.
Very well. Let me see you walking inside.
Yes,
Be quick.
Yes, madam. Usubani dia ada kama mbembo limo. Usubani dia ada kama mbembo limo. She. Because you need to be you need TV license in the go school. Till the jama shit, we sit go worry. Kasa so no need to be what. Goma.
Yeah.
The reason why I called you here is something very simple.
Have I done anything wrong?
A lot of things. You haven't done anything wrong, but you have caused a damage.
Damage?
Yes.
How?
When I'm going to be so, you can lose your life or lose your work or your job.
My life?
Or your work. General manager is talking, you are talking. Will you shut up? Kuma, you came as a noble guy, very respectful guy. Yes. Maybe we can't miss a job. For who and as woman means soon don't think. I should accept you. But no, you say, you go beyond your limits.
Yes.
You are talking. You are talking. Boss is talking. Boss, talk. And now, and before we on. And men crying, come on. And she me DBS and you're very young. I've been a damn no. She may name as I'm talking to you. Oh, show the name. Guma, we all talk to me. Me will form to Bessame Costro. More from Bessame Costro. What ma? Me many channel. Me many channel. Me ne first. And last, so when the day, I beg me, so what I say, myself will company for almost 5 years. Yes, I want to be Brabako, but me no still remain. Myself, my pay me dues. Me pese, go be free hand. That's how make a boat. What's a casa or you were asking me something now here. I said, man, about you put in your dinner. What patch say? Dinner, yes, well, Cassa was saying, and meditant. And Cassa, what man ya did? Mr. John Bow. Now, I said, I don't know, I say, flow from now, and maybe come one. Oh, Jimmy, I can do it. How do you say for other ways? Are you watching? Yes, I'm talking to you. Can you listen? Stop that.
I'm not a young officer or sage.
Top right. Ah, why? Dear boy, boy, manager. Oh, by that day, I'm not saying question. Oh, by that day. Me too, dear Felicia.
Debut, I said, I said, only made 2 times.
Well, for that, because of fire and Fanico, you, and then also Casa. You for you're cutting it off. GM, listen. Issue one number. Or say to tackle in such a way, sir. And go find damage. Let's get cutting off. The big team and cutting off. The other say, when you're going to be an appointment. But what? And then I said, you. Yes, sir. 6 months. No peace. TM, just listen. No, what the best thing was to obey and go for home. What then was a Batman in the map? Never, Tempaso, wake up. Min per se, and then wedding go any Tuesday. Min per se, you wedding go, nature be. We started Batman, or boy, not Batman, and I didn't want to shower. And pastor, catch us, madam. You differences, me no have differences. Yes. Me no size, only size. Yes. Me be a no help you. To my no bro. And you won't know. I just want to be. I hear from my own laser.
Yes, sign. Here for money sign.
I don't know, mammy. Oh, one about the form is so many times. Why didn't you pay out? And I'm convincing mommy and net. Mommy, personal person, the ordinary.
Oh, the back of that one. Mommy can't say until. So, who's a what member saying that no, Shiana, correless. Obusa says, oh, Nantias. I
can't that.
Yes, I can't. Yes, 6 months, when you're paid. Yes, I have well ready.
Oh, I get more.
You are talking. He's talking.
So you can't be so.
Coat.
Jim Patricia, what man? Oh, you never me call
On the call, and then I said, sorry.
Get away.
Jim,
You are talking. Listen, from Labla, Okasana should be Casa apart from Bolivacra.
I'm getting my purpose. How
No, she said, who boy is it? We are light man.
to what much you should go over in you. Compare what I go and come to me always. You look secretary in front. You compare what man. It's not what man.
Okay.
Or can be a man when you're for me. To my toe, your toe. Catch and send me a bear man or no problem spec. Now, me your spec. You know your spec. Hey, did you attack? What did you? And man, don't serious.
Was you okay?
You're not about to say, you go face you. You go Mozambo.
Debbie, not Debbie. You come on, you meet my boom. You just one. Me and Fian Sankikan.
And man, so do this when come away sounds
if you're only
no sanena. And the Uber to have been
Titi or checking the flap on the man.
Let me flap.
Then my teachers are wrong. Then my father. And my teachers are clear.